ADH Group. Building dreams since 2004.
In this video, we're going to take you step by step through the basic installation of GAF Timberline dimensional shingles. For proper installation, it's important to always work across the roof and never straight up. Starting at either rake, install the first course by placing a full shingle 1/4 to 3/4 inches over the eave and rake edges, flush with the starter course. Nail into place using 4 or 6 nails, spaced evenly across the shingle. Keep nails above the tab cutouts. To begin the second course, trim 6 inches from the rake edge of the next shingle and position it flush with the tops of the wide cutouts. Remember, shingle exposure should be 5 5/8 inches. To begin the third course, trim 11 inches from the rake edge. Finally, the fourth course begins with trimming 17 inches from the rake edge. Now, beginning at the first course, finish installing across the roof with whole shingles. Trim shingles at the opposite rake edge, allowing for proper overhang. Continue up the roof in this same pattern, starting the fifth course with a full shingle. This will create a stair-step pattern that helps ensure a pleasing visual pattern across the roof. To help make measuring and cutting shingles easier, use the 2-inch markings on GAF deck protection and set up a template, placing a mark at 6, 11, and 17 inches.
ADH Group. Building dreams since 2004.